Gently break up the, mixing those eggs. Light cake on top. 1 cup of oil or peanut oil. 1 cup of water. It almost makes it look kind of chocolatey. 1 last egg because our cake mix does need 3 eggs. And now I have some white chocolate chips divided into 4 bowls. A few drops of purple, some lime green, some pink, some blue food coloring. And pour it pink, the blue, lime green, our purple. And these are all gonna melt down. It's preheated to 350 degrees. Ooh, 2, 3. What happened? Can you try it?
I think you may have left it in too long.
10 out of 10! Not my looks.
Does it taste good?
No. Look how funny it looks.